Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. Now for today's video, boys, you might be wondering, you've already done this video. And you're quite right, here's a fucking gold star. If you guys didn't already know, I've actually put an exhaust on my car. However, I took that off because it was way too fucking loud. That exhaust was literally roaring like it was on its fucking menstrual cycle.
Oh, he needs some milk.
So basically, I've bought a new one. I've actually went out and ordered a brand new exhaust for my Corsa. Now my last one, it was just literally a fucking straight pipe with no restrictions at the back. This one actually has a little bit of a muffler on, but nowhere near as big as this motherfucking elephant underneath my car right now. Look at that shit. So basically, let's quickly crack this box open and we'll see what it's like. And then we can install it onto the car, boys. Oh my god. Look, so we got firstly the Cobra logo right here. Oh my god. And then obviously we've got the Cobra Sport logo right here. Oh my god, and it's polished to shit. I can't deal. Oh, I can't deal. Oh, I feel like I can fucking see my future in it. Oh my god. It's no lie, I think you can see your future in here. Fucking crazy, isn't it? In my last video, a lot of people were asking me, why are you putting on a 1.2 Corsa? Are you joking? To everyone else, this might just be a Vauxhall Corsa. If this was a fucking camera, it'd be a Nikon Pixel. It's basically an entry-level car. For most people, this might just be a Corsa, you know? But, to me, this is my fucking baby. As much as I slate this car for being slow, I'm not a fast driver. I couldn't give a shit about the speed. If you guys own a car, you'd know that is your pride and joy, you know? Anyway, let's get this car jacked up. We've got the car all jacked up, as you guys can see, you know? The fat ass is in the air. Look at that big booty. So yeah, let me quickly give you guys a before and after. Here is my exhaust right now, and genuinely, like you guys saw, it is fucking massive. It's like a bloody whale. Right, let's hear this baby purr. Right boys, let's get straight into it. Right, there's only one bolt, that one right there. We need to undo that. It shouldn't be too tight because I put it on like a week ago or something. And then there is one exhaust hanger there and one exhaust hanger down there. Pretty damn simple. Right. Yeah, without further ado, let's actually just get that fucking bullshit. I've fucking done it, Debbie. I've fucking done it, Debbie. There you fucking go, mate. There you fucking go, Debbie. That was like a long 20 minutes or something, or 10 minutes or something. But here is the old one. Right then, lads, now that we got the old kitty cat off the car, now let's take a look at the difference between the new one and the old one. Jeez, look at this, boys. So, obviously the new one obviously just looks newer because it's fucking newer, but it's about a little bit more than half the size of the old one, or less than the old one. This is who I'm gonna be in a minute. Lightning McQueen, boo. Nothing but speed. It's going to be actually nothing but sound because I'm going to be going around the village at 30 miles per hour, but it's going to sound like I'm going 50. But yeah, honestly, the new exhaust even just looks fucking sick. Like the exhaust tip, choose. So what we're going to do firstly is we're going to like test fit it. We're going to screw everything down, connect the two pipes together, hear what it sounds like, and then once I'm all happy, I'm going to seal it down with some exhaust sealant. Boys, I am super excited for today's video because the last time I recorded was about a week or two ago, and honestly, we got the Bugatti Veyron sitting outside there, you know, ready. But basically, the reason why is because, you know, I was waiting on these bloody badass clamps to come. Like, this one's a proper beast, this is. Like, it's like a bandage. It tells the pipe to pipe down. I've put a shit ton of sealant on it to make sure that these aren't gonna leak. So I've got 2 of these badass clamps here, and then I want 2 more, you know, here and here. So we're gonna put the 2 clamps on there today, make sure this is all tightened up. Then we'll go on a little bit drive. Bitch.
The tent plan, I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents. Put my circle tight like we glued hands. Like I don't believe in new friends. Trail light, I know the ice then. I drop the song, get a.
The exhaust is now on the car, and boy, it is looking fire as fuck. Oh my god, I might pass out at this. The normal exhaust goes in like a little bit, like here, but I've pulled mine out just a tiny bit, just so I can see the Cobra logo, but not so it's sticking out like a literal Ricer boy. Exhaust is fucking massive. Like, look at that. That's my fist going in there. I'm fisting my exhaust. Right, we've got the exhaust clamps all on, like you guys saw, and honestly, there is a shit ton of sealant on it. Your boy is Asian. This is an amateur job, so literally, if there is any air leaks, the sealant is going to be like, bitch, stay in your pipe. Finally, we're going to turn this car on. We're going to see how nice this sounds. It should be a little bit more quieter than my last one. There's one thing we need to do before we actually turn this car on, and we need to put up this sign on the car. We need to put up the wet floor sign. Come on. When I turn this car on, all the pussy's gonna be flooding towards me. So you know what? We need safety first, you know. Simba's balls have dropped today, and we are gonna hear that. Hopefully, it's not gonna leak. I'll test for air leaks by spraying a little bit of fairy liquid on it, see if it bubbles. But yeah, boys, without further ado, let's turn this car on and hear it. Quickly, just another quick promo. If you guys want to cop your own lanyard that I made, Ricer Boys lanyards, link is in the description. Go check them out. Let's put this out of first gear into neutral, and let's hear this car, baby. 3, 2, 1. God. Everybody who is a car guy should understand, you know, whatever fucking car it is, just appreciate the sound. Come on, for a 1.2 you cannot beat the bloody sound of this. Well, you can beat it, but you know what, for a 1.2 Corsa, literally an entry-level car, you cannot beat the sound that this exhaust gives off. Ready? Oh. It's still really loud. It's beautiful. That's nice. Now, if you guys didn't realise, with my last exhaust, when you were at even like 1000 RPM, you could really tell that you have an exhaust in the car. It's like, bitch, I'm here. 2000 RPM. Sounds like a tractor. This one is more subtle, you know, and it's just great. Downshifts. Oh, that sounds amazing. The thing I love about having an exhaust in the car is, you know what, I love to downshift. You know what, I think you guys know that already. Wait, watch this, ready? I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, it sounds beautiful. Alright then, boys, unfortunately that is the end of today's video on the exhaust. There will be a first drive soon, but yeah, honestly, so happy with it. It's not too loud, it's just perfect basically. So basically, if you guys did end up enjoying today's video, subscribe and also follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff. You know what, stay tuned for the first drive video. Honestly, we're gonna take it when it's a little bit less hot, so that you know, I'm not absolutely dying in the car. Honestly, I'm very happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you little faces in my next video.